Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Today we have a 2001 873 G Series skid steer loader. 73 horse turbo diesel. It's got the vertical lift arms. Nice straight arms, no welds. Decent machine, nice and tight. We've rebushed the mounts for the Bobcat plate, so she's good and tight. This is a 2,400 pound lift machine. Heavy duty lifter, and it'll lift tall too. 124 inches to the bucket pins. Just do a quick walk around. There's a few dents on it. Overall though, great condition. It's a high flow machine, so if you've got a planer, snow blower, or a chipper, this will take care of it. Look how easy it is to open the rear door. You know how you have to fight some of them. This is, again, 73 horse turbo diesel. It's been serviced. It's a great running machine. You can see how clean we are. You know, everything operates freely. I mean, simple to operate the Bobcat. We've got a heated cab. $15.99 on the hours. We're a key start machine. There's our high flow control. We also have our heat controls. And of course our windshield wiper. Power outlet, new cabin air filter. Hey, and look out the back. The visibility is great on this machine. The machine will also come with a bucket. Nice responsive on the hydraulics. Everything operating as it should. Just give you a shot of that cab. Nice seat. We got our controls. It's a non-smoking cab. Give us a call, Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, on this 2001 873G. Large frame machine. We've got high flow with 30 gallon per minute, 7.9 miles per hour. It feels like it moves down the road pretty well. 2,400 rated operating capacity. That means 4,800 pound tipping load. This will lift well more than a ton. 124 inches to the pins. Nice machine. Give Jeff a call at Tri-State Bobcat. My direct number, 715-781-3940. Again, Jeff, Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, 715-781-3940. Thank you.